Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and doing great in your studies also. So today we are going to solve a clerk mains level parajumble, and this parajumble contains 6 sentences. Before starting the parajumble, I would like to inform you that this parajumble question is taken from Guidely PDF course, which is for SBI clerk prelims plus mains. This is to give you a preview of the question level given in Guidely PDF courses. So in this PDF courses, questions are updated daily for SBI clerk prelims and mains also. So you can practice simultaneously for prelims and mains both things. And you need not to worry about the practice material. You just have to buy the PDF and you can solve the questions on daily basis. Okay, and this PDF course is available at 500 rupees till 9th June. So this offer is valid till 9th June. Earlier its price used to be around 800 to 900 rupees, and it is available at 900 till 9th June. The link will be given in the description, and by using my code you will get extra 12% discount. So you can go and check it out, and you can check the level of the questions also. The level of the questions is same as exam level. So you can go if you want, and you can buy this course and start practicing for SBI clerk. Now we are going to start this parajumble. So these are jumbled sentences we have to arrange, and there are 6 sentences given. What we have to do is just make 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just make these type of 6 places in your notebook. Now we will start reading, and we will try to find our starting statement by which we can start our sequence. So for in first and yet we know that. So here and yet is no, yet is used. So we can't start the sentence. We can't take it as our starting statement because no information is giving what is it about. Okay, now we will move to second. But over time, because of socialization and formal education, a lot of us start to stifle those impulses. So here it is talking about those impulses, and we don't know about which impulses it is talking about. Plus, but is used but over time because of socialization. So there is no information what it is talking about, the real issue what it informs. Now we will move to third sentence. Most people are born creative. As children, we revel in imaginary play, ask outlandish questions, and draw blobs and call them dinosaurs. So here it is giving a preview of the topic of the parajumble. We can tick it as we can use it as our starting statement. So we will put a tick before it. Now we will move to D. No one can deny that creative thinking leaders has enabled the rise and continued success of countless companies, from startups like Facebook and Google to stalwarts like Procter and Gamble and General Electric. So here we can see that in D, it is talking about creative thinking, but it is not giving the starting thing. It is not giving the information. Okay, here it is talking about an example of creative thinking. It is not talking about creative thinking which has been talked about in this paragraph. Most people are born creative, and here it is told in brief. And in D, it seems an example of B. Now we will move to E. According to a recent IBM survey of chief executives around the world, it is most sought after trait in leaders today. So it is talking about the survey. So it can't be our first statement because we don't know about which survey it is talking about. Now we will move to F. Because in E, its subject is also missing. We don't know about which topic it is talking. Okay, now we will move to F. So in F, we learn to be warier of judgment, more cautious, more analytical. The world seems to divide into creatives and not creative, and too many people are consciously or unconsciously resign themselves to later category. So in C, what is happening is it is in F, what is happening is it is more cautious and more analytical because about the creativity. So it also can't be our first statement, because it is dividing the world in two types of people, like creative and non-creatives, and too many people consciously or unconsciously resign themselves to the later category. They become non-creative. So it is a contradictory statement, and it is also not talking about the main thing. The main thing is given in C. It is our starting statement, so we will write C here. Now we will try to find our second statement. So in second statement, we can see that first is giving about an idea, and now in B we can see that but over time, because of socialization and formal education, a lot of us start to stifle those impulses. So people are born creative. Children indulge in imaginary plays, but as the time passes, because of socialization and formal education, they start to stifle those impulses. Which impulses? Which they contain when they are children. Like they ask outlandish questions, they draw blobs, they call them dinosaurs. So these are the impulses which they contain, and they start stifling it. So here B will be the second statement, because B is contradictory to A, as contradictory to C, as C is giving us the information about the creativity. But in B it is said that but over time the creativity gets lost somewhere. Okay, now we will try to link B to some other sentence. And yet we know that creativity is essential to success in any discipline or industry. It is not making any pair with B. No one can deny that creative thinking leaders has enabled the rise and continuous success of countless companies. It is giving the example of creative thinking. It is also not related to B. Now we'll move to E. According to a recent IBM survey of chief executives, it is most sought trait after in leaders today. So it is talking about some trait. But in B, so in F we will read, we learn to be warier of judgment, more cautious, more analytical. The world seems to divide into creatives and non-creatives. Here we can see that in B it is talking about that creativity is lost and we start stifling those impulses. And in F it is talking about that the world is divided into creative and non-creative people, and too many people consciously or unconsciously resign themselves to the latter category. In B, it was also talking about that by time passing we become non-creative, and in F also it is talking about that many people become non-creative. So here we can link B with F. So F will be our third statement. Okay. Because in F, contradiction is used to show that people become non-creative and creativity is important for success. Now we will try to find the next sentence. So till now we were talking about that creativity is lost somewhere, and the world is divided into two parts, creative and non-creative people. Now we will try to read. We have done C, B and F. Now we will try to read E. So in E it is talking about some survey. In D it is talking about leaders qualities, and in A it is talking about and yet we know that creativity is essential to success in any discipline or industry. So it is related to B, related to F, because in F it is talking about that people are becoming non-creative, but we know that creativity is essential to success. So here A is contradictory with F, and yet is also written, and in F also it is written that too many people consciously or unconsciously resign themselves, and yet they know that creativity is essential to success. So we can see that A will come after F. Now they have given us 2 points. One is that people are becoming non-creative, and the second thought is that we know that creativity is essential. Now we will move to option number D and option number E. So no one can deny that creative thinking leaders has enabled the rise and continued success of countless companies from startups. So it is giving an example. So it seems to be the ending statement. In E, according to a recent IBM survey of chief executives around the world, it is the most sought after trait in leaders today. Which is the most sought trait? It is giving us the answer that creativity is the most sought trait in leaders today. And in A also it is telling about that creativity is essential to success in any discipline or industry. So here we can see that E will be given after A because E is telling the information which is given in A, as A is telling that it is creativity is important for becoming successful in life. And in IBM survey also the leaders have the most sought trait which is creativity. Okay, so E is the example of A. E is justifying A's statement, and now we have left with D, and D will be the last statement because in D it is telling that no one can deny the creativity thinking leaders has enabled the rise and continued success of countless companies from startups like Facebook and Google to stalwarts. So in D it is contradicting that yes, no one can deny creative thinking leaders are on rise and they continued success. So here we can see that C, B, F, A, E, D will be our final arrangement, and this was a clerk mains level parajumble. It was not that much easy, but yeah, we have done it and we will keep doing more questions like this. Okay, so you can go and check out Guidely PDF bundle also, and that's all for today's video. Thank you and have a very nice day.